It's just not coming from your income, okay, from your revenue. The other thing you're going to do is you're going to go get a side hustle because this is what's important. So another step is you're going to go get the side hustle so that you're going to be paying off stuff by the fact that you're selling. You're paying off the debt by the fact you're selling stuff. And then on top of it, you're going to bring in more income and you're going to use that to continue to pay them down. So then as you pay off each card, then you do the next card. You put all the money you can at the next card, continue to pay the minimum balances on the rest of them. Remember, don't be using them anymore. And then all the money you're making from the side hustle is going to paying off that card that you're focused on. This is called the debt snowball, because what happens is as you get rid of each card, that gives you more money to pay on the next card. As you focus on it, you stop using them. You stop digging the hole, the old thing, in order to get out of a hole, you got to stop digging first.